Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. That pick a card reading may clear your doubts or answer your questions, guys. So you can watch that reading, Pisces. So we have Ace of Cups, Star in reverse and Moon. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. There are certain things happening today, guys, in your work or relationship. You are simply worried. You are doing things in your limit, maybe using your skills or talents, but however you are trying. Certain inevitable changes are happening today. Something that gives you sadness or stress, something is moving away. It may be this person you love. So you have a lot of a fear. Your intuition is telling you, pointing you the changes you need to make, guys, and you may see your situation moving towards something unexpected, and you simply fear the worst for yourself. Something is happening in your life today, guys, and you may have some kind of a premonition or intuition telling you certain things. But maybe for some of you, it may just be your fear or anxiety. You are simply worried where this relationship will go. Maybe you had some arguments or some misunderstandings, and maybe today you are not in speaking terms with this person. So you may fear the worst. You may fear them leaving you. Maybe you fear this connection will move towards some kind of a breakup, guys. But you need not worry, Pisces. We have a positive card. Ace of Cups is a positive card, and it stands for a very emotional, happy state. So something which you are really passionate about. Maybe if you are really concerned about this love, maybe they are not leaving you, they are coming back to you, and you may see things going in a much deeper way than before. Maybe this person understands you much better now, and the arguments or fights, whatever we have in a connection, it is just going to strengthen the love you both have, guys. So maybe if you both share that true love, this person is surely coming back to you, guys. So they will be back, definitely. That is what I see. You need not worry. And for some of you, if it is some situation in your career, you are having some new opportunities coming towards you. So there may be some inevitable difficult circumstances you are facing in your career situation, guys, Pisces, but you need not worry. That is giving way for something much greater, much successful and positive reaching you, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that what to say, or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.